Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here from the Protocase team, and today we got something new and exciting to talk about, and it involves a template generator. So let's check it out. So our goal, the thing that drives us every single day, is to make it as easy as possible for you guys to get your projects done. A huge part of that is to provide a one-stop custom manufacturing experience that's fast and flexible to the quantities that you need. But we also aim to make your life easy by giving you lots of design tools and resources to streamline your work. Protocase Designer is one of those ways because the free CAD software we've developed is fully template-based and allows you to create the custom enclosure, bracket, or panel for your specific needs. Plus, you can instantly quote your design as often as you want and order whenever you're ready. But what if you have another CAD software that you love to use already? Well, that's where a template generator comes really in handy. Our website's CAD template generator enables you to create an enclosure template in your required material, thickness, and dimensions, and then you download a STEP or DXF file that you could fully customize in the CAD software of your choice. Now, for many years, we've offered a basic template generator with 4 of the main styles of enclosures: rack mount, L-shape, U-shape, and a consolet, as well as an option to get a machined enclosure. Now, if you know our custom manufacturing though, you know that we can do a lot more than those 4 types of enclosure styles. That's why we wanted to make the template generator bigger and better than ever. Now, our template generator includes more than 50 templates to choose from. Every single template that you can start with in Protocase Designer is now available as a template for you to customize in your preferred CAD software of choice. The beauty of these templates is that we've been creating them specifically to match our manufacturing capabilities, so you can be confident that you're creating a design that we can manufacture quickly for you. So let's do a quick walkthrough of how to use this new template generator. Now, one big change right off the hop you're going to see is the new template generator is now housed in My Account. This means you'll have to log in with the account if you've already created one, and if you're registered for My Account, you can also do orders or quotes with Protocase Designer. And if you haven't created an account yet, registering is quick and easy. So now that I'm logged into my account, I'm going to click on Template Generator. Here you'll see a very similar interface to Protocase Designer's opening dialog where you select the enclosure, bracket, or panel style that you want to start with. Clicking on a template style gives you an expanded view of what it looks like and a brief description. I'm going to go with a 1U extruded enclosure for creating a CAD template. Once I select it, there's a form I need to fill out with all the parameters for a specific template that I want created. I'll need to enter the material that I want, the default thickness, dimensions, finish, specific thicknesses for different parts of the assembly if I need different thicknesses. Now, once I've filled in all of the fields for the specific template that I need generated, including the file format that I want, I'll click Submit. Now, the template generator will automatically create the template that I need in the file format that I specified. I can now open this CAD template in my CAD software of choice to get customizing with the cutouts, components, graphics, and more. Now, on that note, let me show you the 2 steps you're going to need to take when importing your STEP file into SOLIDWORKS or any other CAD program to make sure that it imports properly. Once you've dragged your file into the software, you need to select all parts of the assembly either by manually clicking each part while holding down the Control key or Control A to select all. With all of the parts assembly selected, right-click and click Fix. Doing this will prevent the parts from being pulled out of location. Now, the final step for importing this template, I need to run the import diagnostics on all enclosure parts. I'll select the part and then under Tools in the top menu, click Import Diagnostics. Now, you're going to need to do this for every part of the assembly, but one important note, you do not have to run the import diagnostics on screws or self-clinching fasteners. With these 2 steps completed, I can now customize my template with cutouts, components, graphics, and everything I need to make it function for my specific requirements. When you're ready to get your design quoted, you can either send it to your Protocase account manager directly or use our Request a Quote form on our website. Now, if you have any questions about the template generator or run into any issues using this new tool, please contact us. You can comment below or email us at info@protocase.com. We are here to help you keep your projects moving and meet your critical deadlines. And if you've got an idea for a resource or a tool to help you, let us know. So thanks for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip video, and we'll be back here again next week.